Hi friends, my name is Sikander Badusha. I am going to start my new YouTube channel, that is NITian Academy. I am M.Tech from NIT and also I qualified two state government exam, assistant engineer exams, TNPSC and TNEB. In TNEB I got state 6th rank in that exam. So that from my knowledge and with my experience in that exam, I convey my knowledge, I share my knowledge in this channel. So those who are in civil engineering, they follow my channel and they subscribe my channel to update civil engineering contents to crack the assistant engineer exam, junior engineer exam that is conducted by your own state as well as central government exams. That content is common for all the state government exam and all the central government exam for civil engineering peoples, and also my general studies and my mathematics portions that will helpful for all other department people. So that those who are nowadays in competitive exam field, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends, those who are studying for cracking the assistant engineering as well as junior engineering exams. So that with my knowledge and experience only I am sharing my contents. So definitely I assure that it will helpful for your further movement and your further career growth. So that subscribe my channel. So all the best for your bright careers.